up, guys? We're here back again. Today she wanted to be in the video, Casey. I don't know who the freak she is.
Well, yeah, you do.
I just said her name, Flo. But today we'll be... Shut up, Casey. Today we will be bird hunting. I don't really know a lot about bird hunting. I know, like, a lot, and that's it. And we're going to be using my bow.
Want me to hold it?
If you want to, Casey.
Sure.
Okay, so all you gotta do, wait for the birds. And I got a pair of binoculars just to see where they are. If they're close to anything, you can see what kind of birds they are. Because there's certain types of birds.
There's the cars over there.
Oh yeah, just to tell you, it's still bird season, okay? Like, bow season. This video is like very old, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna get started. See ya. Well, y'all are gonna stay with me.
Oh. You do know me.
No.
Why did you say that?
Oh yeah, we got Casey over here playing with slime.
I do.
The slime that I made.
No, we both made.
I did most of the work. That's it.
Sticky stuff.
Oh crap.
Sticky stuff.
Oh, let's get started.
We just made the slime. I love it.
Birds over there. There's a bird. See it straight up there. Okay, I just now spotted a bird all the way over there. Let's see. Can you all see it? It's right there. Yeah, I know that looks really weird for you all to look. It's like right there. See where all the other birds are flying? Here, look. Right there at that pink stuff. That's where they are. Try to zoom you all in. See them over there?
Just so you know, we're in a trailer park.
Let's see. There it is. Casey, are you having fun?
Yeah.
We're trying to hunt, like, in through here. We threw out a piece of bread. Yeah, let's get started. You look really good with this.